We got old butt right there.
New butt right there.
There we go. Looking steep. How you feeling? It's hard. It's not you. Hopefully this means we're towards the top. I don't know. What's the saying that keeps you going?
I do all things through Christ who gives me strength.
I do all things through Christ who gives me strength. That's what I need right now. First good view, or like clear good views. Up in the distance there. First time actually brushing our teeth on trail.
Usually it's got a little bit of the disposable ones. Look at this fancy thing.
Thank you, Walmart.
Sponsor us. Stop to refill for the night. That's our water supply. Oh, you can't see it.
Starting to get dark,
Oh no.
blurry. There you go.
And decided, hey, let's brush our teeth.
Starting day 2. Got maybe 9 miles unless we get tired and cut it short.
Saw sunrise.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Got to camp at like 8 last night, so I got the end of the sunset, which was pretty nice.
Yeah.
And then sat up in the dark for a while.
Tried 3 different spots.
Could not find a good spot, and then was rolling on top of each other all night.
We basically slept on top of each other.
Yeah.
Actually. Jesus shoulder squished my face just a couple times.
I had to make room. And then in the middle of the night, it sounded like there was 100 people. How many footsteps there were?
Yeah. And it felt like
It was actually crazy.
people.
Like midnight maybe? I don't know.
And they were talking like it was midday.
Yeah. They seemed unfazed. But yeah, day 2, ready to go. Got a full day. I'm going on top of that, just so you know.
Actually,
Yeah.
oh
Wanted to see your reaction. Yeah. Yeah, obstacles in the way.
I'm pack free.
Ditched our packs about, I feel like I lost a bunch of weight. Spider monkey, actually. Fly up this mountain. Going to the top of Sam's Knob just for a quick lookout break, and then this is the furthest point of the trip, and start heading back towards the car.
It's a long way to go.
Yeah, we won't make it back tonight. If I don't fall back.
Lots of rocks. I guess there's no shiny rocks.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
These ones aren't shiny though.
No, they're not. These are dull rocks. Run rock.
Trying to show them where we came from. Where that road is right here. That disappears. Yeah, an off-road road. And maybe a future campsite right here.
Yeah, if you want to come with, come with. Comment below. Comment below. If you want to come.
There it goes. That's where we stopped and hung out, right up there.
That's awesome.
You see this whole trail going that way around.
Lunchtime.
Lunchtime, time to eat.
Tuna for you, tuna for me.
The whole tuna packet fit in
Tuna
this
for the whole family.
one tuna packet, this little rat.
Look at you. Lunch view.
It's like just your head.
Just ate lunch. With the feet breathe, we grounded our feet for a little bit. And this is our view. So I thought I could switch the view here. Yeah. Is that a fart?
No. What are you talking about? Oh yeah.
So we tried something new to save some time this morning. Chase's idea, we did overnight oats. So we didn't have to boil 2 pots and we can drink our coffee. Wow. We're eating. However,
That's gonna pour some water out of mine.
I added a little too much water to Chase's. Did you dump water out? How does it look?
Well, some
Oh, it looks good.
I still want the protein powder that was in the water, so
Oh,
I won't dump too much out.
good point.
But it'll be good.
Taste test.
So easy to just eat out of bag.
I know, I thought about that. Are the oats softer? Yeah, we also didn't have the quick cooking oats, so our oats are always crunchy.
Tastes
Soft?
about the same, but it's a lot softer, so better.
Oh, great. It's cold, but when you do it hot, it would get cold in 2 seconds anyway. It's always 50 or less out.
I gotta figure out how to eat it out of this thing. Ooh, let's see if I can make it down all these rocks. Start of day 3. Got, I think about 4 miles to the car. Hopefully, probably end up being 5 knowing how things go. Straight down.
Opposite of day 1.
Rock climbing. Gotta be careful. Should be a good day, not a cloud in the sky. Warmer. So yeah. Yeah, it was actually kind of crazy. Super loud. Fell right back to sleep though. Wasn't too concerned. There's a lot of people around. Probably being less safe than we are. The sun glistening. Oh! Almost twisted an ankle. The game with spots is like you cannot see it at all. Can you see?
I did. I leaked.
2 for 2 on hikes this year. This one's also not moving. Sunbathing.
Snack break check. Hold button on the trail. Oh, wait. Is that where we started?
Yeah, that's where we went up.
Wow. Hey, old butt.
It's pretty steep.
My new butt's no longer an old butt.
I don't think we ever mentioned how hard that was.
How hard butt was? Butt was.
That?
Yeah, that was questionable decision.
Questionable.
Ultimately worth it.
Yeah.
Like
It's not my fault. It's on X Backcountry for not showing us.
true elevation data.
Mm-hmm. That's my excuse, at least.
High five, we did it! Woo!
Final stretch. Car in the distance. Almost there. We'll be sad to leave. It's been a good couple days. First 2-night trip of the year went smoothly. Only one moment of slight panic. Not panic, but just a straight uphill for 2 miles.
On Friday.
Yeah. Yesterday was a breeze.
The time we normally wind down. Oh, yeah. And then, yeah, the time we normally wind down every night. We were going straight up.
Yeah.
We successfully set up our new tent in the dark.
True.
After.
I don't know. Semi-successful. It was kind of windy and flapping in the wind.
Yeah, that might have just been where we were at. We did it.
We did do it.
We just slept on whatever those little tents were.
Slept on top of each other.
And on top of them. Actually.
Goodbye, Shining Rock for now. I'm sure we'll be back.